In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch YouTube on Google Slides. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to play an embedded YouTube video right inside your presentation, smoothly and without leaving your slides. First, open Google Slides on your device. You can use the mobile app or a web browser. A stable internet connection is important here because the video will stream from YouTube, not from a local file. If you're on a school or work network, keep in mind that some organizations limit access to YouTube, which can affect playback. Next, open the presentation that already contains your video. This guide assumes the YouTube clip has been added to a slide beforehand. If you're not sure which deck it's in, look for the file title you recognize and tap or click to open it. Give it a moment to load, especially if the presentation has many images or videos. Now, navigate to the exact slide that has the YouTube video. Scroll through the slide thumbnails until you see the one with the video preview. You should see a familiar YouTube-style thumbnail or play button. That's your visual confirmation that you're on the right slide. When you're ready to present, start present mode. Look to the top of the screen for the play icon. It looks like a triangle inside a rectangle. That's the present button. Tap or click it to bring up the presentation options. Present mode gives you a clean, full-screen view so the video looks polished and professional. From the menu that appears, choose Present on this device. This option starts the slideshow right on your current screen, which is perfect if you're presenting from your laptop, tablet, or phone. You might see other options depending on your setup, but for simple playback, Present on this device is the most straightforward choice. Once the slide goes full screen, tap or click directly on the YouTube video to start watching it. You'll see familiar controls appear when you hover or tap, play and pause, a progress bar, volume, and sometimes captions. If the video takes a moment to begin, give it a second to buffer. Make sure your device volume isn't muted, and if you're connected to external speakers or a meeting platform, confirm the audio is routed correctly. You can pause or resume as needed, and then continue advancing through your slides when you're done. That's it. Simple, reliable playback of a YouTube video right inside Google Slides.